Okay, in this video we're going to go over dividing integers, and so I hope you'll find this helpful, and I hope that by modeling it, it will put a little bit more, help you to visualize what's going on instead of just only memorizing a set of rules. Okay, so let's get started. If I have 15 divided by 5, that's something we're all familiar with, and we all know 15, I'm going to count out, by the way, it's positive 15. Okay, here's my positive 15, and I'm going to divide it into 5 groups. 15 divided by 5. 15 total divided by positive 5, and I'm going to see if I divide this into 5 groups, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups, right? In each group, there are 3 counters. So we know that 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Positive 15 divided by positive 5 gives us a positive 3. By the way, we could check this and see 3 times 5 equals 15. It's kind of a way to check it. Now, if I had the same 15, and instead of making 5 groups, I made 3 groups, so 15 divided by 3, now here's my 1, 2, 3 groups. Now there's 5 in each group. 15 divided by positive 15 divided by positive 3 equals 5. We knew this. Now, what if I have negative 15? Well, very similar. If I have negative 15, okay, negative 15, if I want to divide it into 5 groups, actually it will look like this. Okay, negative 15 divided into 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I have negative 3 in each group. So negative 15 divided by 5, negative 15 total divided into 5 groups gives me negative 3 in each group. Same thing if I had negative 15 divided into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. I have negative 5 in each group. Okay, so far so good. Now, what if I have negative 15 divided into negative 5 groups? Negative 5 groups. Well, this would be my negative 15 divided into 5 groups, but instead of negative 15 divided by 5, I want negative 15 divided by negative 5. So I have to take the opposite of each of these. Negative 15 divided by negative 5. And you'll see that I have now 3 in each group. Now, it's a little bit confusing, but if you forget, this is how you can check. We know that 3 times negative 5 gives us negative 15. We learned that already. So that means negative 15 divided by negative 5 gives us positive 3. You could probably already see what's going to happen if you do it the other way. Okay, these would be here, these would be here. Negative 15 divided by negative 3 groups. These all need to switch, and I will get my positive 5 again. Okay, there's other ways to model this, and you can check and see if those work better for you, but doing the opposites kind of helps me. Again, 5 times negative 3 gives us our negative 15. Now, same principle. If I started out with, if I started out with 15 now, there's my positive 15. Okay, I'm going to divide it by negative 5 groups. So I have to, not 5 groups, but negative 5. All these are going to flip. Okay, I had a positive 15 and divided it by negative 5. Now we can see we have negative 3 in each group. Okay, we learned already negative 3 times negative 5 gives us our Negative 3 times negative 5 gives us our positive 15. Positive 15 divided by negative 5 gives us negative 3. And last but not least, you can probably see already, but I'll just show it to you, hopefully without dropping them all. Here's our positive 15. I'm going to divide it into 3 groups, but I want to divide it into negative 3 groups. So all of these will flip over. And each group consists of negative 5s. Okay, it's very similar to the multiplication rules if you want to memorize. Negative divided by a positive is a negative, or a positive divided by a negative is a negative. You know, opposite signs give you a negative, same signs give you a positive. If you want to memorize that rule, you can. This is another way to show why that works. I hope that was helpful and not too confusing. If you need to watch it again, go ahead. And if you just want to memorize the rules, then that's okay too. But at least I want you to be familiar with showing how this works. As always, thank you for watching.